Did you know that massive oil tankers carrying millions of barrels of oil must adhere to strict regulations to prevent ocean pollution? Their secret weapon is a sophisticated system known as the Oil Discharge Monitoring and Control System, or ODMCS. This technology plays a crucial role in ensuring that ships can discharge water without harming marine life. So, what exactly is ODMCS? It's designed to prevent oil pollution during routine operations, particularly when discharging ballast water or tank washing water that may contain oil residues. Under MARPOL Annex I, every oil tanker of 150 gross EI tonnage and above is required to be equipped with this system. Its primary purpose is to ensure that no harmful amounts of oil are released into the sea, protecting our marine ecosystems. The core principle of ODMCS is continuous monitoring and automatic control. It constantly checks the oil content in discharged water using highly sensitive sensors. The system is programmed to ensure that the oil discharge does not exceed the strict limit of 15 parts per million, or PPM. If the oil content exceeds this limit, the system automatically halts the discharge, preventing illegal pollution. To achieve this, ODMCS relies on several key components. First, there's the oil content meter, which acts as the system's eye, measuring the oil concentration in the water using advanced technology. Then we have the flow meter, which monitors the discharge rate of the water, providing essential information about how much water is being released. The computing unit serves as the brain, processing data from both the oil content meter and the flow meter to calculate the total oil discharge per nautical mile and per cargo carried. Finally, the overboard valve control is the action component. It's linked to the computing unit and will automatically close the valve if the oil content limits are exceeded. A critical feature of ODMCS is the 10 ppm alarm. This acts as an early warning system, alerting the crew when the oil content approaches the 15 ppm limit, typically triggering at 10 ppm. This warning allows the crew to take proactive measures, such as adjusting the oil-water separator or stopping the discharge manually before any illegal discharge occurs. If those measures fail, the system has a fail-safe. If the oil content exceeds 15 ppm, the ODMCS automatically shuts off the discharge, diverting the oily mixture back to a slop tank. There are different types of ODMCS systems on oil tankers. Manual ODMCS requires crew intervention for monitoring and operating discharge valves, which are older systems still found on some vessels. Automatic ODMCS, the most common modern systems, handle the entire monitoring and discharge process with minimal human intervention. Hybrid ODMCS combines features of both manual and automatic systems, offering flexibility and backup options. MARPOL Annex I sets out strict operational requirements for discharging oily water. Ships must be en route while discharging, at least 50 nautical miles from the nearest land. The oil content of the discharge must not exceed 15 ppm, and the total quantity of oil discharged must not exceed 1/31 of the total quantity of the cargo residue from which it originated. These regulations ensure that any permissible discharge is highly diluted and far from sensitive coastal areas. Understanding ODMCS and its role in preventing marine pollution is essential for anyone involved in the maritime industry. This system exemplifies the commitment to protecting our oceans and ensuring that our maritime activities do not come at the expense of the environment.